वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। You can repeat. अल्पाक्षरम् असंदिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असंदिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
अयुन् ऋलुक् एओङ् ऐऔज् हयवरट् लण् ञमाङणम् जभै घढधश् जबगडदश् खपचठथ चटतौ कपै शशसर हल अकुघ विसर्जनीयानां कंठः इचुयशानां तालु ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा लुतुलसानां दन्ताः उपु उपध्वानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपध्मानानाम् ओष्ठौ
न्यामाङ्गनानां नासिका च
न्यामाङ्गनानाम् नासिका च
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
एतयोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोगो कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूल्यस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरम्
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
ओ राम मामुद्धर
ओ राम मामुद्धर
The last class I introduced this demonstrative and interrogative pronouns for Srilinga. Those shabdas also we saw. Tat shabda, etat shabda, yet shabda, kim shabda. So you need to practice those. Now, we will chant only the Pratama Vibhakti and then continue the exercise. Ramaha Ramo Ramaha
Ramo Ramaha
Harihi Hari Harayaha
Harihi Harayaha
Guruhu Guru Guravaha
Guru Guravaha
Pita Pitarau Pitaraha
Pitarau Pitaraha
Karta Kartarau Kartaraha
Kartarau Kartaraha
Eshaha Etau Ete
Eshaha Etau Ete
Ayam Imau Ime
Ayam Imau Ime
Saha Tau Te
Saha Tau Te
Kaha Kau Ke
kah, kau, ke.
All these are Pratama Vibhakti forms which we have seen. And you know the whole Shabda. I taught you the whole Shabda which you need to practice. Keep chanting it. You have to memorize all the Shabdas. Rama Shabda, Hari Shabda, Guru Shabda, Pitra. Pitra and Kartra I have not taught you. That we'll see later. Etat Shabda. Tat Shabda, Kim Shabda. Whatever Shabda I taught you that. Please keep chanting it every day. Now only Pratama Vibhakti is required for us. That alone we do it. Now Srilinga. Rama, Rame, Ramaha.
Rama, Rame, Ramaha.
Then Ikaranta Nadi, Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha.
Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha.
Mati Shabda, Matihi, Mati, Matayaha.
Mati, Matayaha.
Mati is short E. It is Srilinga. And if you see the declension, it is like Hari Shabda, but there are differences. The differences we'll see later. Only Pratama Vibhakti is same as the Hari Shabda. Harihi, Hari, Hareha. Similarly, Matihi, Mati, Matayaha. Next one. Dhenuhu, Dhenu, Dhenavaha.
Dhenu, Dhenavaha.
This is also short Ukaranta. It is declined like Guru Shabda, but there are a lot of differences between Pullinga and Srilinga. Only Pratama Vibhakti forms are same. Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha. Similarly, Dhenuhu, Dhenu, Dhenavaha. You will see all those Shabdas. Now just chant. Then Vaduhu, Vadvau, Vadvaha.
Vadu, Vadvau, Vadvaha.
This is Ukaranta, Srilinga. We will see all those Shabdas slowly. Then Rikaranta, Srilinga, Matra. Mata, Matarau, Mataraha.
Mata, Matarau, Mataraha.
This too we will see. Then Etad Idamandal we saw. Then chant. Esha, Ete, Etaha.
Esha, Ete, Etaha.
Iyam, Ime, Imaha.
Iyam, Ime, Imaha.
Sa, Tetaha.
Sa, Tetaha.
Ka, Ke, Kaha.
Ka, Ke, Kaha.
Yes. All those Sarvanama Shabda, demonstrative and interrogative pronouns we have seen. Now we will continue. We are doing Strilinga. In the last class we did up to here. Now we'll continue further. Now Akankshaji, you can read the noun form Ime. What is the meaning of the form Ime?
Ime means two, Guruji. These two.
What linga, what vachanam?
Strilinga and Dvivachanam.
Okay.
It can also be used for Pullinga, Bahuvachanam.
Yes. There's some problem in your mics. I think echo is there. You are using a headphone or a speaker.
No, Guruji, speaker.
Yeah, that's why echo is there.
Okay.
You can minimize the volume then.
Yes, Guruji.
Let's read.
Yes, Guruji. Ime ke, who are these two? Ime balike, these two are girls. Ime ke, what are these two? Ime pipilike, these two are ants.
Yes. Continuing further.
Ime late, ime rame. Ime late means these two are creepers.
Yes.
These are two creepers. Ime rame, these are two ramas. Ime shakhe. Guruji, shakhe means branches, no?
Branch. Shakha. Shakhe. Shakha. Yes.
These are two branches. Ime male, these are two garlands.
Yes.
Should I continue, Guruji?
Yeah, please do. Please do.
Ime kokile, these are two cuckoo birds. Ime mapike, these are two rulers, Guruji.
Mapika.
Scale.
Yes. 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 Rulers.
Ime prabhe, these two are prabha. Ime veene, these are two veenas.
Yes. Of course. Ete. What does it mean?
Ete, it means these two.
What linga? What vibhakti? What vachanam?
Srilinga dvivachanam.
What's the pratipadika?
Pratipadikam is etad.
Okay. What vibhakti? What vibhakti? What vachanam?
Pratama vibhakti dvivachanam.
Always you have to say like that. Pratama vibhakti dvivachanam, not strilinga dvivachanam. Strilinga, strilingaha
Yes,
pratama
Srilinga Pratama
vibhakti.
vibhakti dvivachanam.
Yes, read.
Ete ke, what are these two? Ete, kokila. These two are cuckoos.
Kokile.
Ete kokile.
Yes. Continue.
Yeah. Ete ke, who are these two? Ete chalike. These two are drivers. Ete yamune.
Yes.
These
Two are rivers. Yamuna is a name.
Yamuna, the river name, yeah. Ete vale.
Bale, not vale. It is ba.
Ete bale. Priests. These two are priests.
Priest.
Yeah.
From where you get the meaning of the word bala, meaning priest? No?
Yeah, bala, sorry.
Bala is what? Girl. Who can be a
Girl.
priest?
Girl. Yeah, sorry. These two are girls. Ete shakhe. Ime.
What shake?
Male.
What is shake? Just now she said, the one, Akanksha ji. What does it mean?
Okay. No, I cannot remember.
You have to develop your vocabulary. When other students read, please watch what they read. The meaning, everything you have to note it down. Shaka is branch.
Branch. Okay. Ime male. These two are garlands. Ete kokile. These two are Kokila.
What is Kokila?
Cuckoo.
It is there in the screen itself.
Yes, I see. Cuckoo.
Mm.
Ete mapike. These two are. I don't know.
She said the same thing, copy paste. Nothing has changed. Now she said the meaning of the word. Mapike. What is mapika? Mapike. Mapika. That's right. When others read, you please follow. Everybody. The meaning is there. You have to note it down. Mapika is ruler.
Ruler.
Ruler means not the king. Ruler means the scale. What they use for drawing. Mapika.
Okay. Ete prabhe. These two are.
Could be a name of the person. Prabha.
Prabha.
Or Prabha can mean shine. Anyway, okay.
Ete vine. These two are.
The instrument
Manage.
Veena. Next person.
Veena.
Deepika ji.
जी गुरुजी ते महिले
They meaning
they meaning those
those two.
two are ladies.
Pratipadikam and what vibhakti, what vachanam.
Pratyapadikam is mahila.
Pratipadikam.
Pratipadikam is mahila.
No, what is te? I'm
And
asking about te only.
te tad
Then
that is
what?
Pratipadikam and Strilinga is Dvivachanam.
Prathama vibhakti dvivachanam. Not just
Prathama
dvivachanam.
Vibhakti, yes Guruji. Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachanam.
Okay, continue.
Te mahile, those two are ladies. Te paduke, those two are chappals.
Yes.
Te makshike, those two are flies. Te petike, those two are boxes. Te dvichakrike, those two are bicycles. Te gaike, those two are singers. Te agni petike, those two are matchboxes. Te late, those two are creepers.
Creepers. All the words we are familiar with. Mahila, Dvichakrika, Paduka, Gaika. Okay. So therefore, we have to develop vocabulary, remember a lot of words. Okay, next person. So much you can read and explain the translation. And you have to explain the pronoun, what vibhakti, what vachanam, what pratipadika. Yes.
Yes, Guruji. Ete mahile three Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachanam.
Which is Prathama Vibhakti, which is Dvivachanam?
Etad Shabdaha Prathama Vibhakti Ete
Dvivachanam.
Dvivachanam.
Okay.
Ete mahile. Though these two are girls.
Women.
Women. Sorry.
And what about Magila? What pratipadikam? What vibhakti? What vachanam?
Mahile is Dvivachanam.
What pratipadika? What vibhakti? What vachanam? Same order. You can say.
Pratipadikam Dvivachanam.
What is the pratipadikam?
Mahila.
That's what I'm asking. Pratipadikam is Mahila. What vibhakti?
Dvivachanam.
What? Pratama vibhakti.
Pratama vibhakti.
Then Dvivachanam.
Oh, Pratama vibhakti.
When you read a sentence, ete mahile, ete is the pronoun, mahila is a proper, mahila is a proper noun. So etad is a pratipadikam, pratama vibhakti, dvivachanam. Esha, ete, etaha. Similarly, mahile is, the shabda is mahila. Pratama vibhakti dvivachana form is mahile, mahila, mahile, mahilaha. Therefore, ete mahile. These two are women. You have to say like that for all the words, sentences.
Okay, okay,
Yes.
okay. Okay. And next, ime makshike. Pratama vibhakti.
First, you have to tell the word and then say what we are talking about. Pratama vibhakti, which is Pratama vibhakti.
Okay. Ime makshike. These two are flies.
Okay. Explain the sentence.
The Pratama vibhakti makshika. Strilinga, dvivachanam.
No. Ime is there, makshike is there. Two words make a sentence. Ime makshike.
Okay.
So, what is the pratipadikam of ime?
Ayam. Sorry.
No, that's a problem. That's it. Yeah. No homework done or forgotten. Anything, whatever may be. Idam pratipadikam.
Okay. Sorry.
We have seen, right? Iyam, ime, imaha. Have we not seen?
Yes, Guruji. Last class.
I don't know whether we saw. We saw, no? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we
Yes,
saw it.
Guruji. We
Yes.
did.
Okay. Then okay. And we chanted now also. Anyway, if you can try to recollect. Iyam, ime, imaha. Idam pratipadikam.
Okay.
Idam is definitely I would have seen, because we are reading the forms, all the vachanams of all the shabdas we are reading. Pratama vibhakti, etad, idam. So definitely would have seen. So idam is a pratipadikam. Pratama vibhakti dvivachana form is ime. Similarly, makshika is a pratipadikam, strilinga pratipadikam. Pratama vibhakti dvivachana rupam is makshike. Therefore, ime makshike. These two are flies. This is the format. This is how you have to say, so that you are giving all the details of the words. Ime makshike. Iyam makshika. Ime makshike.
Okay.
Imaha makshikaha. That also you can say if possible. Yes, next sentence.
Te durga. Te durge.
What is te? What is durge?
Te. Tad shabdaha. Pratama vibhakti durga.
Te is there first. Talk about te and then Durga we'll see.
Okay.
Te is
Strilinga.
tat shabdaha.
Tat shabdaha. Strilingaha. Dvivachanam.
Pratama vibhaktihi dvivachanam. Te.
Pratama vibhaktihi dvivachanam.
Then Durge is pratipadikam is
Durga.
Durga.
Durga means difficult. These two are
Not difficult. Durga is the name of the goddess here.
goddess.
Durga. Okay. Durga. Okay. Then Pratama vibhakti dvivachana rupam is Durge. These two are Durgas.
These two are Durgas.
Next one.
Yete nauke.
Hmm.
These two are boats.
What is ete?
एतत् शब्दः
Hmm.
प्रथमा विभक्ति नौका
Hmm.
एति
Pratama vibhaktihi dvivachanam ete. First you say ete, then
Okay.
nauka.
प्रथमा विभक्ति द्विवचनं एते प्रथमा विभक्ति द्विवचनं नौके
Pratipadikam of nauke is,
नौका
you have to say that. Nauka is a pratipadikam. Pratama vibhakti dvivachana rupam is nauke. So ete nauke. Okay, next person, Yajnapriyaji.
Thank you.
Yes, Ji.
Can try the next line.
Yes.
The same format.
Yes, Ji.
If possible, you can say the ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bhagavachanam also. Dvivachanam already given. Ekavachanam and bhagavachanam.
Yes. Te gange
Hmm.
दकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः तत् शब्दः
Good. Hmm.
सः ते ताः
Sahatetaha. No. Srilinga.
sorry जी सा ते ताः
Hmm.
प्रथमा विभक्तिः द्विवचनं ते
Okay. Te. Fine.
गंगा is प्रथमा विभक्ति गंगा गंगे गंगाः
Pratama vibhakti dvivachanam. Gange.
yes जी
So te gange meaning
river
that Ganga is river, you know. But translation. Hmm.
these two are rivers Ganga river
Those two are rivers.
sorry those two are rivers Ganga rivers
I think after 1 week gap, all of you are reading now. Huh?
no जी madam
Those two are rivers. Okay. Te gange. What is ekavachana rupam?
for Gange
For the sentence.
Ganga
Okay, I will do one sentence. Please
Yes.
observe. Te gange. Listen. Te gange. Te shabda is there. Pratipadikam is tad. Dakarantaha strilingaha tad shabdaha. Sa te taha. Pratama vibhaktihi dvivachanam te. Similarly, Gange is the Pratipadikam is Ganga. Akarantaha strilingaha Ganga shabdaha. Ganga, Gange, Gangaha. Gange is Pratama vibhakti dvivachanam. Therefore, Te Gange is those two are rivers. Ekavachanam would be Sa Ganga. Dvivachanam Te Gange. Bhagavachanam Taha Gangaha.
yes
All this you have to say. Right. Explaining the each word, what vibhakti, what vachanam, and saying the same thing in ekavachanam and bhagavachanam.
yes
Hmm.
Ete Vimale these two girls these two are Vimala sorry those two are Vimala
These two are Vimala. Why confusion? Te is those. Ete is these.
yes these two are
All
Vimala
these are basic things. Basics
Yes.
have to be strong.
suddenly
Okay.
it's get confused
Okay. That when I ask, it will be confused. Yes.
दकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः एतत् शब्दः एषा एते एता एता एता
Etaha.
एताः
Hmm.
विमला विमल प्रातिपदिकम of Vimale is Vimala Vimala Vimale Vimalaha
Okay. Then
Ime Praje
Esha Vimala.
oh
Ete Vimale.
Vimala Ete Vimale Etaha Vimalaha
Okay. Continue.
Ime Praje Praje means king
Citizen.
citizen right citizen
these two are citizens. Ime pratipadikam is makarantaha strilingaha idam shabdaha iyam ime imaha. Praje pratipadikam is praja praje prajaha. Iyam praja iyam ime praje ima imaha prajaha.
Okay.
Te bale. These te is that these
These-
two are those two are girls. Te pratipadikam is dakarantaha strilingaha tad shabdaha sa te taha. Bala pratipadikam is bale pratipadikam is bala bale balaha. Sa bala te bale taha balaha.
Yes. Good. Next person. Now, Umaji, can you try again the last line? The same format you have to do it.
Sir,
Hmm.
I want to practice more, sir.
Why don't you practice 1 week time is, we have got only 1 week, one class, only 1 week.
Yes, I know, sir.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay.
Practice. All these things are not new. Already we have learned. We have done Pullinga. All the
Okay.
things we have done. Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, next person. Parulji, you can do the next one.
Yes, sir. Ime vanite. Ime is this. Makaranta strilinga idam shabdah.
We are dropping Visarga. Makarantaha.
Makarantaha strilinga idam shabdah. Prathama vibhakti iyam ekavachanam dvivachanam ime bahuvachanam imaha. Ime vanite vibhakti, that pratipadikam is vanita, and iyam vanita, ime vanite, imaha vanitaha.
Good. Yes.
These two are vanita.
Vanita is
And-
woman. Okay.
Vanita, woman. These two are women,
Hmm.
and these are bahuvachanam. These are vanitaha. These are women.
Okay,
and
okay, fine. Not
ekvachanam.
required.
Okay.
Continue.
Te
Next.
balike.
Hmm.
Te balike. Dakarantah स्त्रीलिंगः तद शब्दः. प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनम सा, द्विवचनम ते, बहुवचनम ताः. Those two are girls.
What about Balika? Balike.
शब्दः is balika, and balika ekvachanam, balike dvivachanam, balikaः बहुवचनम.
Good.
सा बालिका, ते बालिके, ताः बालिकाः.
Very good. Yes, please do it.
एते माला.
Ete male. Mala.
sorry. एते माले.
Hmm.
दकारन्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः एतद् शब्दः. प्रथमा विभक्ति एषा एकवचनम, द्विवचनम एते, बहुवचनम एताः. एते माले द्विवचनम. These two are garlands. माले शब्दः is माला, माले, मालाः. एषा माला, एते माले, एता, एताः मालाः.
Etaha.
एताः मालाः
Good.
इमे
Continue.
इमे ललने इमे प्रथमा मकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः इदं शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनम् इयं द्विवचनम् इमे बहुवचनम् इमाः and lalane shabda is lalana lalana and these two lalane means
That is
lalane,
also woman only.
okay, lalane, these two are women. So,
Beautiful woman.
beautiful woman. So iyam lalana, ime lalane, imaha lalanaha,
Imaha. Okay.
imaha lalanaha.
Good. Very good. Next person. Subbalakshmi ji.
Thank
It's good. The noun form ima is used to denote the feminine plural form of things, beings. Ima, imaha kaha. What are these? Imaha stalikaha. These are plates.
Stalikaha.
Stalikaha. These are plates. Imaha kaha. What are these? Imaha kunchikaha. These are keys. Imaha lataha.
Imaha lataha.
Imaha lataha.
No, I'm not saying like that. There's a difference. Imaha lataha. Lataha. Not lataha. Ha. I'm not saying lataha. Lataha.
Lataha.
Lataha is different. Lataha is different. You're saying lataha. Imaha lataha.
Imaha lataha.
Hmm.
Makarantaha स्त्रीलिङ्गः इदं शब्दः इयम् इमे इमाः लता लताः लताः
You have to practice visarga. Okay.
प्रातिपदिकं लता लता लते लताः
Lataha.
लताः these are latas.
These two are
Ima shat.
creepers.
These two. Ima shat means
These, sorry, but these not these are creepers. Sorry. Yeah. And
these are creepers.
Yeah, ekavachanam is Iyam lata.
Yam lata hai.
Iyam lata.
Yam lata. Ime late. Imaha lataha.
Imaha lataha.
Imaha lataha.
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 No, you're doing the same mistake. Anyway, continue. You have to practice it.
Imaha shakaha. Makarantaka स्त्रीलिङ्गः idam shabdaka iyam ime imaha. Shaka shakaha. Shaka is the pratipadikam. Shaka shake shakaha. These are branches.
Okay.
Imaha balaha.
Imaha malaha.
Imaha balaha.
Mala. Malaha.
Makarantaka स्त्रीलिङ्गः idam shabdaka iyam ime imaha. Mala pratipadikam is mala. Mala male malaha. These are garlands. Imaha prajaha. Makarantaka स्त्रीलिङ्गः idam shabdaka iyam ime imaha. Prajaha. Praja is the pratipadikam. Praja praje prajaha. these are citizens.
Yes, next person now. Akoshi.
Im-
Sorry, Akanksha, not Akosh. Akanksha ji.
Yes, Guruji. Imaha Ramaha Makarantah Strilingah Idam Shabdah. Imaha is Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Ramaha Shabda Pratipadikam is Rama. Ramaha is Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. So Iyam Rama, Ime Rame, Imaha Ramaha.
Yes, good.
Imaha Mapikaha Dakarantah Strilingah, sorry, Makarantah Strilingah Idam Shabdah. Mapikaha, the Pratipadikam is Mapika. Mapikaha is Bahuvachanam, Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. So Iyam Mapika, Ime Mapike, Imaha Mapikaha.
Yes.
Imaha Vanitaha, again Makarantaha, Strilingaha, Idam Shabdaha. Vanitaha, the Pratipadikam is Vanita. It is Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. So Iyam Vanita, Ime Vanite, Imaha Vanitaha. Imaha Petikaha Makarantaha Strilingaha Idam Shabdaha. Imaha is Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Petikaha, the Pratipadikam is Petika. Petikaha is Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. So Iyam Petika, Ime Petike, Imaha Petikaha.
Yes, good. Akoshi, next one.
The noun form etaha denotes feminine plural form of things, beings. Etaha kaha, what are these? Etaha pipilikaha, these are ants.
What is the Pratipadikam of Etaha?
Dakarantaha Strilingaha etad shabdaha.
Then Ekvachanam, Dvivachanam would be?
Yes. Eta, ete, etaha.
Not Eta. Esha, Ete,
Esha, Esha, sorry. Yes. Esha, ete, etaha.
What is the
Bahuvachanam.
Pratipadikam of Pipilikaha?
Pipilika, akarantaha, strilingaha, pipilika shabdaha.
How do you decline it?
Pipilika, pipilike, pipilikaha.
Okay, continue.
Etaha kaha. What are these? Etaha udpitikaha. These are tables.
Now, the first line you do as we did before.
Yes.
Pratipadikam, what Vibhakti, what Vachanam. Similarly, for the Bala, the proper noun. Let's say
Yes.
it's singular, dual, and plural. Yes.
Dakarantaha strilingaha etad shabdaha eshaha.
Esha, not Eshaha.
Esha, sorry, Esha, ete, etaha, bala, bale, balaha. Pratipadikam is bala.
Hmm.
Next is
Not as this itself. Etaha balaha Bhagavachanam. Ekavachanam is
Ekavachanam is Bala. Dvivachanam is Bale.
that we have said already.
Bahuvachanam Balaha.
That you have said already. That not that one. Etaha balaha. Convert the sentence into singular. Yesha.
Esha Bala. No. Esha
it's correct.
Bala Ete
Hmm.
Bale Etaha Balaha.
Yes. What does it mean? Etaha balaha.
These are girls.
Yes. Next sentence. Similarly, you do the next sentence.
Etaha Shakhaha. Esha Shakha. Ete Shakhe. Etaha Shakha.
Okay.
Etaha.
What does it mean?
Ramaha.
What does it mean? Shakaha. Etaha shakaha. Translation.
Etaha, these are Shakhaha. I don't know the Shakaha word.
We have seen shakaha just now, today only. Branches.
Branch. Okay, I have to learn the words.
Words will not be learned separately. Along with the lesson, you have to remember. When we read words, you have to note the meaning and try to remember. Separately, words will not be learned. Vocabulary will be learned along the exercise. That is why asking you to do all the practice. Okay, next sentence. Continue.
Etaha Ramaha. These are Ramas. Esha Ete Etaha Rama Rame Ramaha. Eta Vinaha. Etaha Vinaha. These are, I know it was the word, but I cannot remember. I know it was before. Vinaha.
Veena is an instrument.
Instrument. These are instruments.
Or it can be the name of the person also.
And the Pratipadikam is Esha.
Not Esha.
Ete Etaha.
Etad is the Pratipadikam. Esha ete etaha.
Oh, sorry. Yes. Etat Pratipadikam. Ekavachanam Esha. Dvivachanam Ete. Bahuvachanam Etaha. Vina, Vine,
Veena, Vine, Veenaha.
Maha.
Okay, next person. Deepika, second sentence.
Yes, Guruji.
You do it in this format I said. You have to, all of you have to practice this stuff.
Yes, Guruji.
Yeah, please do.
Etaha prajaha.
Etaha prajaha.
एताः प्रजाः दकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः एतत् शब्दः
विभक्ति बहुवचनम. Prajaha is a Pratipadikam is a Praja. Prathama vibhakti bahuvachanam.
Okay.
Etaha prajaha. These are citizens.
Yes.
Um,
Then Esha.
Esha praja. Ete praje. Etaha prajaha.
Okay.
Etaha kathaha. Dakarantah स्त्रीलिंगः एतत् शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचनम. Katha kathaha is a pratipadikam is katha. Prathama vibhakti bahuvachanam. Etaha, I mean esha katha. Ete katha kathe. Etaha kathaha. Etaha prabhaha. दकारन्तः स्त्रीलिंगः एतत् शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचनम. प्रभाः is a प्रातिपदिकम is प्रभा. प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचनम. एषा प्रभा. एते प्रभे. एताः प्रभाः. एताः वीणाः. दकारान्तः स्त्रीलिंगः एतत् शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचनम. वीणा is प्रतिपादिकम. प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचनम. एषा वीणा. एते वीणे. एताः वीणाः.
Yes. The next one. Next person. Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. Ta patrika.
Not ta patrika. Taha patrikaha.
Taha patrikaha.
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 Taha means those. Etak shabda bhagavachanam. Sa te taha. Yes. Continue.
Takarantaka. Takarantaka. Strilingaha. Etad shabdaha.
That is it. It is tad shabda.
Tad shabdaha. Takarantaka. Strilingaha. Tad shabdaha. Prathama vibhakti. Bahuvachanam. Taha. Ta te taha. Prathama vibhakti.
No. Sa te taha. Not ta te taha.
Sa te taha.
Sa te taha.
Sa te taha.
Okay.
Prathama vibhakti ekavachanam for patrika is patrikaha is patrika, patrike, patrikaha.
Okay.
Taha patrika.
Sa patrika, not taha patrika.
Okay.
Sa patrika, te patrike, taha patrikaha.
Sa patrika, te patrika, patrike, ta patrikaha.
Taha patrikaha, or ta patrika.
Taha patrikaha. Those two are magazines.
Not those two. Those are magazines. That is not two.
Those are magazines.
Okay, continue.
Taha churikaha. Those are knives. Dakarantaha. Dakarantaha. Strilingaha. Etad shabdaha.
Tad shabdaha.
Tad shabdaha. Prathama vibhakti ekavachanam for taha is sa te taha. Prathama vibhakti ekavachanam for churikaha.
Not ekam. Prathama vibhakti. Because you are taking all the vachanam. Prathama vibhakti ekavachanam if you say, then sa. Prathama vibhakti dvivachanam if you say te. Prathama vibhakti bhagavachanam when you say taha.
Okay.
Similarly, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachan when you say Churika. Okay.
Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam is Churika. Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachanam is Churike. Pratama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam is Churikaha. Dakarantaha Strilingaha.
No, sa Churika, te Churike, taha Churikaha. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam, all the forms you can do. What does it mean? Taha Churikaha means?
These are knives.
Not these. Those are knives.
Those are knives. Those are knives.
Okay.
Dakarantaha Strilingaha Tad Shabdaha. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam for Taha is
Ekavachanam for Tad is, not Taha.
Ekavachanam for Tad is Sa Te Taha.
Ekavachanam is Sa only. Te is Dvivachanam. Taha Bhagavachanam.
Bhagavachanam Te.
Not Bhagavachanam is Te. Dvivachanam is Te. They're struggling so much to say. Let the practice. Simple. There is nothing. See, already we have done nothing new. Sa Te Taha. Sa is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
I practice. I am nervous. Nervous.
Why you get nervous? It is simple. No need to get. If you have all the notes are there.
Okay.
Have the copy with you. Sa Te Taha is the declension of Tat Shabda Srilinga form.
Yes.
Sa is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Te is Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachanam.
Yes.
Taha is Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Similarly, Naukaha is Pratipadikam is Nauka. Akarantaha Srilingaha Nauka Shabdaha Rama Shabdavat. Nauka Nauke Naukaha. So Sa Nauka, Te Nauke, Taha Naukaha. Those are boats.
These are boats.
I'm not expecting too much. I'm expecting only what we have learned.
Okay. Dakarantaha
Dakaran. It is Dakarantaha.
Dakarantaha Strilingaha Tad Shabdaha Taha Padukaha. Those are chappals.
I don't know why you said Dakaranta first immediately. First read the sentence. That's a, see, this itself how we think, the order of thinking, the sequential thinking. Taha Padukaha, first you have to read the sentence. These are simple things. Okay, Taha Padukaha, read the sentence. What is Taha? Analyzing each word. Taha Pratipadikam is Tat Shabda. Then you say Dakarantaha, Srilingaha Tat Shabda. Sa Te Taha is Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam is Taha. Next word is Padukaha. What is the Pratipadikam? Paduka. Akarantaha Srilingaha Paduka Shabdaha. Padukaha is Paduka, Paduke, Padukaha, Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Therefore, Taha Padukaha, those are slippers or chappals. Sa Paduka, Te Paduke, Taha Padukaha. This shows how you think. Your thinking should be sequential. It should be orderly, not zigzag, going here and there. No.
Okay.
Next person, Yagya Priyaji.
Sir, thank you.
Yes, ji. Taha Vidyaha. Pratipadikam of Taha is Dakarantaha Strilingaha Tad Shabdaha Sa Te Taha. This Taha is Pratama Vibhakti Bahuvachan.
Correct only, yeah. Okay.
With Pratipadikam of Vidyaha is Akarantaha Strilingaha Vidya Shabdaha Vidya Vidye Vidyaha. Those two are those are vidyas. Or can we take it as knowledge also, Ji?
Vidya is knowledge only.
Okay.
Sa Vidya,
Sa vidya, te vidye, taha vidyaha. Taha kridaha, those are toys. Pratipadikam of taha is dakarantaha, strilingaha, tad shabdaha, sa, te, taha. Pratipadikam of krida is akarantaha, strilingaha, krida shabdaha. Sa krida, te kride, taha kridaha.
okay, good.
Taha gopaha, those are cowherds. Pratipadikam of taha is dakarantaha, strilingaha, tad shabdaha, sa, te, taha. Pratipadikam of gopaha is akarantaha, strilingaha, gopa shabdaha, gopa, gope, gopaha. Sa gopa, te gope, taha gopaha. Taha amba, those are amba. Pratipadikam of taha is dakarantaha, strilingaha, tad shabdaha, sa, te, taha. Pratipadikam of amba is akarantaha.
Ambaha is
Ambaha, akarantaha, strilingaha, amba shabdaha, amba, ambe, ambaha. Sa amba, te sa amba, te ambe, taha ambaha.
yes, good. What is the meaning of Amba?
Name of a person.
No, Amba is mother.
Oh, sorry.
Could be name also. Amba is mother. Okay.
Apo, those are mothers.
So we
Those
stop.
mothers.
Yeah, those are mothers.
Yes.
Similarly, we will try this in next class. You have to do this. Please practice, all of you.
Okay, Guruji.
You have to practice.
Yes, Guruji.
Develop vocabulary. Vocabulary should be a part of the study. We will not study separately. So try to have the vocabulary. It's important. Okay, we can
Okay.
stop here.
Okay.
Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavada Guruji.
Dhanyawad,
Guruji, you to
Guruji.
share
Hari
with
Om.
us the words, the Strilinga words, please, which we practiced at the beginning.
Yes.
Thank you. Like the Rama Shabdas with the Pullinga.
Yeah.
Thank you.